First coat, I'm just going to brush it because it's easier, and then the second one I'm going to roller it to make it all smooth. So yeah. Changed my mind because the brush is taking forever, so I'm just going to get all the hard bits, all the sides and everything done, and then I'm just going to roller it. First coat on, obviously it's not all covered yet, but it's the first coat. We just got to sand it down afterwards, and then we'll put our second coat on. So that's the second coat on. We just had to sand it down before we put the second coat on, just lightly. I got the dent out of there before we did it. I think we need new ones of these because I didn't take them off like an idiot, but oh well. So we just got to wait for it to dry, and then we'll see if we need another coat.
When I'm lonely in the dark, I know you are with me, yeah. Don't you see that I need you so much? Don't you see that I love you so much? Oh, nah.
Right, so the third coat's on. Had to get a bit of help because I couldn't make the paint smooth, so yeah, I needed a bit of help, but I'll show you that now. And my dad's channel will be down in the link. He owns a VWT4, you can see that he's now converting, so yeah, be sure to check that out and subscribe, and yeah, so I'll show you the bonnet.